Hi, I'm Barb. Today I'm going to be cooking down pie pumpkins in preparation for making pumpkin pies and pumpkin bread. I love pumpkin season. It's a favorite. Now this is something I don't can typically because it's just so easy to stick it in a Ziploc baggie and throw it in the freezer. So I went out to the garden this morning and picked some of the ripe pumpkins. I do start by washing the pumpkins. If they do have some dirt on them, I will take the scrub brush and just lightly scrub the dirt off. I take the stem and I kind of whack it on the counter. They just pop right off easily. Once I remove the stem, I then cut the pumpkins in half and carve out any strings or seeds that are in the interior. And then I place them on a greased rim baking pan to get them prepped for baking. I load the pumpkins into an oven that has been set to 325 degrees and I bake them for an hour and 15 minutes to an hour and a half. You insert the knife and it feels like a baked potato that's perfectly cooked. That's when they're done. Once the pumpkins are done baking and I remove them from the oven, I allow them to sit for about 45 minutes to an hour until they have cooled enough to where I can handle them easily with my hands. I do occasionally have to take a spoon and scrape all the skins out. Pretty easy most of the time. The skins will bubble up off of the pumpkin pulp and sometimes they just pop right out the shells. The little brown bits on the pan are caramelized sugars from the pumpkins. I'm using a potato masher to just mash. You can absolutely put them in the blender or the food processor. This ended up giving me approximately 8 cups of pumpkin pulp. I like to freeze in 2-cup and 3-cup increments. 3 cups I use for pies, 2 cups I use for bread. The type of pumpkin you want to use is a pie pumpkin. You can absolutely use carving pumpkin. They just tend to have a higher water level in them. I wanted to mention also that you can pick up pumpkins at the grocery store or Walmart. They're relatively inexpensive. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, bye.